Hey, good afternoon, you guys, and happy Saturday. Yes, today I was called out to do a challenge. Okay, but first, let me just go ahead and say, if this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much. I am showing the arms today. Don't care, because I love who I am. This is me. Take me or leave me. Arms and all. Baby. Yeah. Love who you are. Anyway, if this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hit that bell. Look, I'm so excited about this challenge. I ain't saying my own intro right. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell twice to be notified when the girl upload another video and when I go live. Like, share, and comment. That's it. Shaquena Horace called me out to do a challenge. Okay, and this is called the No Burping Challenge. Now, there's some of you guys that's been following me since I was in the beginning. That started following me since they were like I was like 10 people. They've been following me, okay? Y'all know it's hard for me to burp. That's what I just can't burp. So it's a no burping challenge. So I think I can do this challenge because I don't like to burp. So I'm like, I can do this one. I can do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. This is called bubbly. It's sparkling water and it's grapefruit flavor and other natural flavors, and that's what it's called. And it's straight up water. And then just in case I drink this down, I have another one, the same brand, but this is lime flavor. Oops, this is lime flavor. Yeah, I think I can do this, y'all, because y'all know, people that been following me know I don't like to burp. I'll be like, so let's give this a try. So I'm going to try to do this no burping challenge. And I got my ice because I'm an ice eater. So I might choose some ice with it. Because look, I really think I can do this. So let me pour this in. Oh yeah, it smells good too. I never had this before. This brand, bubbly. So, and it smells grapefruity, but it's water, but it smells good. Oh yeah. I might be able to do this, y'all. Ooh, and I got some ice too. This is gonna be nice. Let me just, you guys, don't be mad at me because I'm doing this. I need me a piece of ice, you guys. Let me just try me a piece of ice real quick, y'all. Because this ice is, I'm trying to pick one up. This ice is looking good. Let me get me one. I need, let me get one of these ices. Hold on. I can't grab me no ice. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. 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 Mmm, mmm, mmm. I love ice. Okay. Now let's go on and try this little thing here. Kind of gave me a little head rush. See if I can get through this. I normally don't drink a lot of carbonated stuff. So I'm just got a head rush right now. So let's see if I can make it through this, y'all. No burping challenge. I normally don't drink carbonated anything. Don't, please. Mmm. Mmm. Look, this right here. Oh, you guys, I do not like to burp. That's why I do not drink carbonated anything. And look, I am feeling a certain type of way right now. I'm trying to think of something else. Oh, see, I can't. I am so disgusted. Look, I am really disgusted. That did, well, how many minutes were, that I'm disgusted. You know what? You guys, look, this is why I don't drink carbonated water or carbonated anything, okay? I have failed the challenge. I tried. I did it, Shaquena. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. I failed the challenge.